What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I use my Sol de Janeiro Brazilian body buff. I'm going to show you guys a quick demo of how I use it and talk a little bit about the product. I'm very excited about this because the results I got after using this on my legs was ridiculous. I'm so excited, and you guys know Brazilians have like the perfectest, is that a word? The most perfect bodies ever, so I'm like all about it. Like, I just want my legs to be soft, I just want to be glowing, like I'm trying to live their life right now. But yeah, so this is actually a dual function scrub. You can use this as a body mask, which is so cool. I love masks on my face, so of course I love masks on my body. But yeah, this is actually a scrub and a mask. You can use it as a scrub on wet skin, and you can also use it as a mask on dry skin. Now personally, I've used it both ways. I personally like using it as a mask on my body first, and then going in and really scrubbing it, and then going under the water and really scrubbing it off, and you literally feel like a baby's bottom. It is so freaking good. Is there, what is it? Is there turmeric in here or something like that? I don't think so. Is there? No. No. There's not. There's kaolin, there's pumice, there's water, of course, there's rice. No, there is turmeric. There is turmeric. I knew there was turmeric. Anything yellow most likely has turmeric in it. Anyways, this stuff will kind of stain your bathroom walls. I don't know why. Like, if you wash it off and it kind of splashes onto the wall and it's yellow, you want to take that off really quickly because this really sticks on. I don't know if it's the kaolin in it or if it's the turmeric or what it is, but make sure you wash it off properly, because like it kind of stained my bathroom a bit, but then I washed it off and it's fine. They also did send me the Brazilian Crush body mist. It smells, I thought at first, like coconut, but it's actually pistachio. And I spray this all the time in John's car when I'm with John. That now his car smells like it. It's either that or he has some like pistachio stowed away in his car or something, because like it smells amazing. I love that, and I think I'm gonna love that even more in the summertime. It's a very summery scent. Like it's a very beachy scent. Like you'll spray that on your body and then you'll go off to the beach, and then you know it'll be cool and stuff. Side note, do you guys, when you go to the beach, do you guys use the sand to exfoliate your feet, or is that weird? I don't know. I do. I don't know if that's weird or not. Do you guys do that? Let me know in the comments if you do. So I'm gonna go into the demo right now and show you guys how I liked it. So go ahead and watch the video and then come back to me. How soft this one feels. It feels very hydrated. This is definitely pretty darn cool. So I did use this as a body mask, but you can absolutely just take a little bit in the shower and scrub as you go along. But to be honest with you, I think I would much rather prefer it to be a body mask. My skin is so soft and smooth. I am like kind of shook. Like I don't know, I'm very excited. This is very cool. Also, I would absolutely recommend trying this out. It was so soft, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use this more in the summertime when I'm really like, when I wax and then like I'll like go ahead and exfoliate. You can even do this when you're not like but like before you shave or something like that, or like before you wax, go ahead and really get it deep down into your skin. Do the mask before you go to your waxing lady or before you shave the next day, and really like go in there and work it in and get all those ingrown hairs out and really exfoliate all the dead skin from like the winter time. And then go ahead and shave, or then go ahead and wax, and you guys will see it will be smooth as hell. Thank you Octoly for sending this to me, and thank you Sol de Janeiro for sending it to me as well. I'm obsessed as usual. I'm just obsessed with things. I'm obsessed with everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and follow me on my Instagram pages, reesiibabe and reesiibabe. And I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.